This Blender animation showcases what I was able to achieve using a model of real terrain. The model includes corresponding aerial photography, provided as a blend file. The link to the blend file is available in the video's comments section. This is how the bare terrain looks as provided by the blend file, with an added high dynamic range image map. To my surprise, the digital elevation model is so detailed that I had to flatten the elevation of some trees and rocks. Aerial photography works well for the background or middle ground, but you need to create a shader to add finer details for the foreground. You can also add a gobo stencil placed in front of a light source to create interesting patterns or effects. Next, add rocks, grass, and trees to enhance the scene. Finally, incorporate a road to complete the environment.